What's up guys? And for today's video, magpaparegister tayo ng sasakyan kasi number 2 yung huli ng plate namin. It means February mag-e-expire ang aming registration, car registration. So ngayon pa lang, January pa lang is magpaparegister na kami. Pwede naman daw kasi yun eh. So, see you there. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa M. De Wheeler para kumuha ng CTPL. Hello guys, nandito kami sa emission test center. Naka-parking na kami dito sa may emission test. Emission testing. Ayan, ito-testing na to. Maya-maya lang after na yun. Hello guys! Ayun, tapos na kami. Ihatid na namin ang baby muna sa school. Not going with us sa LTO kasi he has a class today because today is Monday. That's why. Then we're going to LTO for a car registration. We're going to LTO. Nandito na kami guys. Hey guys, nandito kami kumuha kami ng insurance. Compulsory third party liability. Dito muna sa LTO kasi first time daw. Hello guys, ito po yung mga fees ng bawat insurance. We're here na guys. Yo, what's up guys? Tapos na kami magparehistro. Ito na, likod na lang. Huwag na iharap. Tapos na kami magparehistro, mabilis lang kasi wala naman masyadong tao. Diba? Then,
hindi siya mapataas man yun eh.
So guys, ang nagastos namin is 600 for emission test, certificate of emission, CTPL, compulsory third party liability is 1,000 sa loob ng LTO kasi kailangan pag first time kumuha ng CTPL is sa loob ng LTO dapat kumuha. Then, next, the registration fee. Our registration fee, since sedan lang kami, medium, is 1,610. 1,610. Yun. Anyways, guys, tapos na kami magpa-registro. So, nabanggit ko naman ako magkano. Pero malaki yung binudget namin dun kasi napanood ko lang din sa isang vlog na malaki pa, medyo mahal yung registration fees. So, medyo malaki rin yung binudget namin. Pero, actual, hindi talaga. Ayun, naka 3,000 to all in na yun, guys. Umalis na ako dun sa kinakainan namin kasi init! Nag-aircon ako dito. Waiting for daddy. Then, uuwi na kami. Thank you guys for watching. Binigyan ko lang kayo ng idea kung magkano magparehistro. Kung magkano magparehistro kayo 2,025 kasi 2 yung plate number namin. Pag 2 February expired.
Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same thing.